This is a unboxing of a Chat Valley paddling pool. Let's just open and see what is inside. Okay, oh, look at that. You wanted a pool that don't be too big and too cumbersome, and we can, move it as quickly as possible. And the water is 742 liters, so we just, if you don't need it, I'll just use it for watering the plants and flowers. So not a big deal. Anything bigger than this would be some high maintenance thing that you really don't want. So let's just open and see what is inside, and we will set it up. I may use even some hot water inside it. But before that, because this is a shingle area, we call it shingle beach, and the stones may damage it, I put one of these 1-ton bags under it. I opened it. Then one of these carpet mats under, and then tarpaulin over. And let's see what we can do. So this is the Chat Valley paddling pool. Let's just open it and empty it on this surface that I prepared. Inside the bag there is a puncture pad, puncture patch, and this is the actual pool. So let me spread it and open. Look at that. This is 6 feet, so I suppose this is big enough for if you want just to put your feet on it, or one small adult can fit in this. Look how beautifully they have rolled it in the shape of a cube. And it's very soft, the hard side, very soft base, so you really need a good support. This is the assembly instructions, how you do it. Take the pool and accessories out of the carton with care and spread on the pool on the selected side to slowly fill the pool to a proper water level. Do not leave pool unattended while filling with water. So just be around just in the case if something goes wrong, you can take control. Okay, it will take a while to gradually fill it up, but it will be there. And when it is there, I will add just hot water, or in the meantime I can add it. This is a hot water from the tap. And you have to make sure that the bottom is stretched before you fill it up completely, because that will be heavy. That will be around 3/4 of a ton. Now we have filled up the paddling pool up to near 400 liters. Added several, probably around 10 7-liter watering cans of the hot water also to this. So it's tolerable. It's in April, but it's cold outside. If it gets really cold, I mean, it's not warm. It's not 20 or 30 degrees. It's 13, 14, 15 degrees. So we are enjoying this now. We are going to paddle it actually. I put a chair here, putting my foot inside it. It's too cold yet to go full Monty inside this, but anyway, that's how it is. And we have to be careful. Don't apply any pressure anywhere. Kids or adults, no pressure on any of this membrane around here. That would crack. This is a hard plastic. We should not do hard on that. Go gentle.